Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I'm Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits, and in this video we are going to talk about how to knit through the back loop. If you are unfamiliar with how to perform a knit stitch, I will link those video tutorials in the description box below. But real quick, as a refresher, this is a knit stitch. So we go through the front loop, around the needle with the yarn, back out, and slip the stitch off of the left needle. Now to go through the back loop, rather than inserting our right hand needle into the front loop, we will insert our needle through the back loop, which is this back loop of our knit stitch. So from the back, this is what it looks like. We insert our needle through the back stitch from the top to the bottom. Then we just wrap our yarn around, pull our needle through, and slide that stitch off. So all this does is it twists the stitch. So maybe you can see the V of a normal knit stitch looks like that. And the twist of knitting through the back loop twists that V. So again, a knit stitch, just like that through the front loop. And a knit through the back loop is the same thing, but going through the back loop from the top to the bottom instead. From the top to the bottom with the right needle, wrap the yarn around, pull the needle through and off. Take the right hand needle, insert it into the back of the loop from top to bottom, wrap the yarn around, pull the needle through, and slide that stitch off of the left hand needle. So normal knit stitch and knit through the back loop. Normal knit stitch. It's that simple. Congratulations, you now know how to knit through the back loop. I hope you have found this video helpful and informative and easy to follow. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell if you're interested in receiving notifications when we update new knitting tutorials. We hope to see you again very soon. Happy knitting!